Hello, hi. I'm thinking about, you know what? It seems like we're in February. But you know, it's really beautiful. It's now cold comparing to last year. Last year was so cold. And a year before, it was so cold. Remember we drove to San Diego and it was like freezing. So yes guys, so you are going to spend a beautiful day with us here at SeaWorld. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
And then later on in the evening, don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, we're gonna share a lot of fun things here in San Antonio SeaWorld. Can you guys leave your comment down below and let us know how Appa looks like while wearing glasses?
Already the people said that I put on tummy. Guys,
No, we're gonna work out.
We're getting old. I'm giving up on it.
No, we can't give up.
Oh my god, it's really hard.
Oh. Yeah. Nice. So if you're planning to spend a beautiful Christmas with your family, I will prefer to go to SeaWorld, wherever you are. SeaWorld has a lot of events going on for kids. I believe that this was the best place to celebrate Christmas, in my opinion. Alright, so this is really new here in San Antonio SeaWorld. People were feeding the sea lion. You don't feed them for free. So we did not do that actually. We decided not to feed them. And it was really beautiful to watch.
Why is that one so big?
Hey you.
Hi.
You get it?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Looking at these sea lions. Oh my god, did you see that? There's a lot of them in here.
This is a new guys.
Yeah. Kyle, what is that? Oh my goodness.
They're saying one is like that.
What are we doing here?
We're watching the
Sea lions.
sea lions
California sea lions. Wow. In San Antonio.
in San Antonio.
Tell me about it. So the show is gonna start in about 10 minutes from now. People still coming in. This is the first time since we've been coming here to SeaWorld. This is literally like a first time going to experience. First time going to experience this show. Have you ever seen this show before? Kyle is not feeling good, guys. Kyle has like a running nose going on, but she's okay. Are you okay? Hello there. What happened to you? You okay? What's going on with your hair? We're getting old. This is the first. I was saying this is the first time like going to experience the sea lions show.
Oh yeah, this is a new thing. They just started I guess this year.
Yeah.
So we haven't get a chance to since last year. So this is the first time we seeing sea lion. What do you call it?
Sea lion
Sea lion show
in San Antonio.
in San Antonio, Texas.
Yeah. So.
Yes,
Well,
guys. This is,
we're enjoying. I mean, we both, all kids are off school.
we're gonna lose a couple pounds today because we're walking a lot.
No curry, no chicken tandoori, no biryani.
கோழி குழம்பு
Yeah, yeah.
இன்னைக்கு கோழி குழம்பு இல்லையா பிரியாணி இல்லையா வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு சாப்பிட வேண்டியதுதான்.
Oh gosh, let's see how far we can go, right? Nice. So, I know Kyle is not feeling good. So we ended up now watching the sea lion show. Kyle ended up throwing up. How do you feel right now?
I feel good.
Oh, nice.
I feel good.
Yeah. So we here. I have no idea what we're doing here. I don't even know what we're gonna watch right now. Do you know?
I think we're gonna watch jellyfish.
Jellyfish? Look who's here. Alright guys, there were so many shows that I couldn't able to record because Kyle was not feeling good. But we decided to come and get something to eat here, and Kyle was feeling much better. I gave her Pedialyte, which helped her to stay strong, and she was ready to eat.
Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you.
It's going on. It's going on. We're here sitting down on the show.
What are we doing?
We're sitting down to watching the show.
Oh my gosh. The
Summer,
kids wanted to
summer.
go to the ride so bad, but there have been so many shows here that we're enjoying. Unfortunately, I did not record it because some of the show was like, oh, you can't record because of the flashlight.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, but so far so good. Kyle is getting much better comparing to earlier. She's doing good, but yeah.
Did you make it here in time? Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Dear Santa, hurry through the sparkly winter night. He started with Christmas tree. With every jingle bell, I know we're finally me. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under the mistletoe, hoping that he'll soon be knocking on my door. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe under the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, me that you make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red.
Wow, this was so beautiful. As you guys can see, SeaWorld has nice events going on Christmas. I will definitely take kids here if you don't have any place to enjoy Christmas. SeaWorld is the best place to take the kids. You will enjoy each and every time you spend at the SeaWorld. They literally planned everything perfectly.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Waiting on where the bushes are crossed. Now the jingle bell is
What are we waiting for?
Huh?
What are we doing?
We are waiting for chicken parade. What is it? Christmas parade.
It's called Sesame Tree, whatever.
Sesame Street parade.
Look who's here, Kyle. A lot of people here waiting.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Dear Santa, hurry through the sparkly winter night. He starts up a Christmas tree. With every jingle bell, I know we're finally meet. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under the mistletoe, hoping that he'll soon be knocking on my door. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe under the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way?
How is it? That was fun.
It was fun.
That was a lot of fun. Did you enjoy it, Ayam? Did you have fun?
Yeah. So then my dance. Look.
We're finally here.
Yo, FALLOW, love this outfit. Want to spruce up your SeaWorld Christmas experience?
Hi guys, we're watching the Orca show right now. I just really loved it. We're watching it right now. people are watching it, and I loved it because it was so fun and beautiful. It was the best thing of my life. That was so cool. Yay. I liked it.
Wow, Kyle, I'm glad you loved the show. Me too. We had a really great time. And I'm glad next time we're going to come back again.
Our three females are Takara, Sakari, and Kamea. And joining us now out front are our two males, Kayuke and Tuar. Kamea is our youngest whale at 11 years old. Takara is our oldest whale at 33 years old. Takara is also the matriarch of our pod, and that means she's the leader. These whales trust us, and they take an active role in the...
Are you ready for eat more fufu? Kyle?
Yes, I'm ready.
This is so amazing. Last year we couldn't ride. Kyle couldn't make it through because she was short. And now she's so excited. Here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. She's happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, when we get home, you're gonna eat fufu. Yes.
Okay.
This was so much fun. Kyle had a really good time. All right.
I'm so tall.
So, how did you feel today?
Good.
Did you have a good time? But earlier, Kyle got sick. All right, guys. Thank you so much for spending this beautiful day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. We really had a great time. I would prefer that if you want to spend a really great Christmas, SeaWorld is the best, especially when you have the little one. Kyle have a really great time, but earlier she was not feeling well. But now look at her smile in her face.
Guys, can I tell you something? Okay, so last year, I couldn't go on the ride because I was too short. But today I got to go on the ride and I was so happy.
That is amazing. Yeah, and happy holiday, guys. Right?
Happy holidays and happy New Year, guys. We will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.